Seppic and Schulke, two companies of Air Liquide Healthcare, are building together a new plant in Virginia, United States. From 2018, this plant will produce cosmetic and pharmaceutical ingredients. A multicultural context. The project involves a local engineering contractor, Air Liquide in Houston, for their expertise in U.S. engineering projects, Seppic in France, and Schulke in Germany for project supervision and their expertise in production technologies. Making the most of each expertise. To take the best decisions regarding safety and reliability, this mixed team addresses both local and each entity's requirements. For example, when the contractor asked for a plant full double piping to meet a local regulation which was more stringent than in Europe, the team shared their expertise to find the best solution to address the soil contamination risk while meeting all requirements. The solution was a concrete platform with overhead single piping and underground double piping. Thinking out of the box. The diversity and gap between the contractors and Air Liquide's values initially generated stress in the project. By organizing team-building exercises, integrating work responsibilities, and simplifying communication lines, a sense of cultural awareness was created among employees, helping them to think out of the box to solve problems and respect each individual. This reduced stress and positively influenced the project. This project shows that sharing expertise and diversity helps us improve both safety conditions and efficiency.